I don't own any of the rights to the music being played. I, like the song says, le alum le Coca-Cola. All right, so let's discuss how Samoan is a descriptive language, like I said earlier. So talo falava ma tue fa talo fatu ma o folo fatu pa anga masani wo ma me mamai ale Mea-Uli Samoa o lo ola tau lango ina pea ma fa malosi mai pea ia tatou tau mawhainga vai vai. Again, I appreciate each and every one of you and your sharing and your love shown through your messages and through your comments. I want to welcome each and every one of you once again to Le Mea-Uli Samoa and our live. Vi ia le langa lei malerofa tapa au ilangi ona o lea wo to au le mai ia le nei tu la aso o lo o moa pea ia la to so fo malo loina masio ne yola fatava o lea le vi inga e to fo ilangi ona o lon pule fa so fua malona pule fa soa lea o mfai on tatu au dia mai le nei I tula le fa mai tau ngai fala tango. I need to cut my hair. You know, I've always had short hair, tau ngai fala, and 1 year I grew my hair out, and the only reason why I cut it was for my shuk tinao shuk to awu to malu. He said it ulu. But now I've always wanted to try to grow it out. I feel it ulu. Yeah, lelawa. But talofa, good morning. I'll get right to our topic today. What do I mean by Samoan is a descriptive language? You know. Mga yan musical background ay leanga ang ufaso ke mga you know I say long I find earphone list kimi ka ke kalang wai ka me kun musika. But let's start with Roji Biv. The Samoan language, when saying Samoan languages, and I believe when the colonizers came, the colonizers introduced specifics, and colors were one of them. But if you look throughout the Samoan language and its colors, everything is descriptive, and that's what I mean when I say it is a living language. Everything points something out. Everything is descriptive. Someone said it is a song of songs. O le pese o pese. Yelling ngana Samoa, and I thought that was a beautiful explanation. So let's get right into it. Timoteo, Timmy, how you doing, brother? Say emoja ngo ngeia nga umala ir ka live every mic via kalango go fi aka. Okay, so red. In Samoan, red is lanu mumu. Now, lanu, there are two words, lanu mumu. Lanu depicts color. The color of what? And you'll notice that within the colors of the Samoan language, it relates to something. So, lanu mumu. La, a, nu, u, mo, u, famamafa, mo ufa mamafa. LANU M. Oh man, say mo ko go study English. MU fa mamafa, MU fa mamafa. Okay, LANU MU fa mamafa, MU fa mamafa. Lanu mu. So mu is derived from the burning of the fire. Okay. So when the fire is its most hot, is at its hottest peak, the color you get will mu. That's how we got lanu mu to describe the burning or the red of the fire when it's hot. Orange. If you notice in the English language, orange is the only thing that is descriptive to what it is. And orange is orange. And so that's also a color that Samoa didn't have And so the word we then made was lanu, or color, moli. Mind you, not moli. There's no famamafa on the I. It's lanu moli, color of orange. So la anu u mo o la I. Okay, lanu moli, LANU MOLI, lanu moli. Okay, orange. So lanu moli, like the word orange, interprets color of an orange. Okay, yellow, sama. So sama, lanu sama, LANU SAMA, la anu u Samoa, sama. So lenga is something that was used as samai, or to yellow something, and so the color sama is also a color that is describes the ripening. The ripening, sama. So lanu sama means something that is turning from its original color, or something that is slowly changing into this sun-like color. Sama. Green, lanu mea mata, LANU MEA-MATA, la anu u moatia, lanu mea mata. And lanu again is color of something raw or something unripened. So when something is unripened, ole mea emata. It is raw or it is unripened. Therefore, the color is likened to something unripened. Lanu mea mata. Okay, blue. Lanu moana. LANU MOANA. La anu u mo anu a. Mo a leai. Leai, ke o hapesisi valea yo lea kama. La anu u mo o anu a. La anu u mo o anu a. Lanu moana. Color of the ocean. Color of the ocean. Yeah. So that's simply, moana is the ocean. So they described blue as the blue sea. The color blue to the blue sea. Indigo. To make things easier, we're just going to follow Roy G. Biv and then some other things I may throw in. Indigo. Now, I'm going to skip indigo and go straight to violet. A lot of people have different ways of saying the color violet, but we didn't have the color violet. We had a word for something purple, but that is the next word. But violet, because we didn't have a word for it, became violet. Lanu violet. LANU VIOLE famamafa. If you don't put the famamafa, you're going to get lanu violet. And then people are going to think so violet, lanu violet, LANU VIOLE famamafa. La anu u VEO la e famamafa. And so that, because we didn't have a word, ole upu no, which is something we also talked about earlier. So violet, ole upu no from the word violets. Now, how about purple? How about burgundy? How about maroon? Now, Samoans had a word to depict this color, a darkened color, and the word we used was Mea-Uli. Mea-Uli, which means darker or darkened. Mea-Uli. So when you see burgundy or maroon, we in Samoan we say Mea-Uli. And then Tatu lanu lana, or le tatu fasol na nita. That's our sharing this morning. Again, I don't want to take much of your time, but I have a few announcements. Today, we will be talking on Radio Samoa at 4:30 Hawaii Standard Time. And then on Wednesday, 6:30 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, or 18:30 hours. We're going to Hawaii Standard Time. We're going to be on Lefionga Tawiliili. He has a page that I've also shared. On Wednesday, we're going to be talking on that show, but today we will be sharing with Lefionga Yasiata on the drive time on Radio Radio Samoa. So please go ahead and follow, like, and share. Because I know not many people have the stance that we have here, where we are eager to teach each other and learn from each other. But it's nice, and I thank God, and I thank you all for your support, because had you not gotten the message out there, we wouldn't have received this recognition. So thank you all. Again, thank you all for your support and your love. And I pray that you all have a blessed day. Ia tō mailangi so tō manuia so tō matu pala pala. Ono tō angalele mai foi mal tō manatu mai I lo ni tangata vai vai mal tamu whai. Ina ia a oina tātou alam whanau e leo iai le avanoa pe o lo tangata. So, le nei tula whape atu, manu te leina la sang fufuang le aso, soifua mai manuia. Blessed day to each and every one of you. I'll see you again later, maybe in a few hours. Yeah, to titimana va mai as secretary. Yeah, sa voila secretary maso aku yes faingo se video. Lo fa ki au ko, soifua.